channel. So for today's video, I am getting ready. I'm doing lunch, which hopefully is either pizza or a burger or something like that. I just wanted to do a look, and this is again with the Nice palette from Kylie Cosmetics. I like these colors. I've been wanting to do like a more everyday kind of look with this palette. I'm actually running a little bit late, so get ready with me. Let's get started. I have nothing on my face right now. So I was going to play with some samples that I got at Nordstrom, but I think that these are all the same thing. This I will try though. This is the Guerlain Daily Repair. Apply before your day and night cream in the morning and evening. I already did my peel off mask and stuff like that and applied moisturizer. So, whoops. Ooh. Samples are crazy because they just give you so much and you don't want to waste it. It's not like you can seal it up and use it twice. So this is actually super moisturizing. I'm going to let this sit on the skin while I do my brows. And then I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to use MAC ProLongwear Concealer in NW20 as my primer, which I love. And then I'm going to set that with MAC Emphasize. It's a white powder. I talk about this in every video because I use it on the eyes and under eye, but it's a white powder. I'm going to first take Lullaby, this color right here, and just start up my transition with the E40. Looks a little like Peach Smoothie from Makeup Geek. Then with the E25, I'm going to take Ginger Snap. It's a really mustardy color, which is super flattering on the eye. I'm going to use Hot Cider right here, just to deepen that crease up a little. I think that I really want to focus on my home decor. It's one of my New Year's resolutions, and then I would love to do another glam room tour. I mentioned that on my Snapchat. I've done a lot of changes since the last video. I like the amount of depth that this is giving, but you definitely want to blend out every step just so there are no harsh lines. I'm going to take Macaroon just because it's like one of my favorite colors in the palette. I've been considering like getting another dog too, but I just don't know. I wish that I could get Cindy like a translator so she could speak human to me and be like, yeah, I totally want a pet dog. Or like, no, what are you thinking? It's just you and me. I don't know. I'm going to use Nylon as a brow bone highlight. Oh, but there's still macaron on here, so that was a little pink, but it's okay. I'm going to do liner and lashes. So I have liner and lashes and then some MAC Fascinating in the waterline. So I'm taking Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and some Benefit Porefessional. So you guys, if you have any recommendations of products that I should try, please let me know. I love when you guys do that. It's super nice and it just gives me things to try. When I find a product that I like or love, I definitely stick to it, but I'm open to trying out new things. I'm taking the Dior Skin Forever. I've had some breakouts on my cheeks, but they don't do anything. They're just there and red. I'm definitely planning on doing another nighttime routine because there's definitely been some changes. Some more MAC ProLongwear Concealer in NW20. I'm going to contour my nose with the KKW Beauty Contour Stick. This is the dark. Then with the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops, I'm going to highlight. I don't do it as concentrated as I used to. Take about a half a pump, rub it between my fingers, and then just press it. Instead of one finger for that really concentrated look, it was looking a little stripy. This I think is really good for your face or something like that. I'm going to set the under eye with MAC Emphasize, and then set the face with MAC Studio Fix in NC42. So on my channel, like I've been super lucky. Like I really haven't had hate, which I really appreciate. Maybe there are less haters out there, I don't really know. I would love to see 0 haters on any channel. It's like part of being on here or something like that, and I just feel really bad for people who have to deal with it. I'm using Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer. I just hope that we can all support each other all the time, and then if it does so happen that you are faced with haters or someone you know has a hater, like I wish that you can just not be tempted to reach their level and like retaliate. I would like to reach out to the people who are the initial haters and say, don't write stuff like that because everybody's going through something and you never know like what your words are doing to somebody. Unfortunately, there always will be haters. So the best thing that you can do instead of stooping to their level is just understanding that they don't have the same morals as you. They don't have as much intelligence as you. You're basically just dealing with someone who doesn't know any better, and it doesn't excuse what they're doing, but it helps you deal with it. There isn't anything wrong that you're doing if you have a hater. It's just them they're jealous, they just don't know any better. So just take it with a grain of salt and appreciate all the positivity that you have in your life, whether it's other people or just the life that you're leading. I would love for that kind of behavior to stop, but it won't, so at least we can all learn how to deal with it and support each other. I took way too long to start my day. My boyfriend is like almost here.
Hey babe.
Hi.
We're getting ready to head out. You want us to come to your place first or go to the gym first? Or we can go to the gym for like an hour.
Yeah, do that.
Okay. Like pizza or teriyaki or burgers or something? Or what do you...
You know what? Those are my 3 cravings right now, so
Okay.
you can't go wrong.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye babe. Love you.
Love you. Bye. Okay, so sometimes I clean as I go and then I put everything away and you have to reach back into some things, so like I don't see the point in cleaning as I go. I'm gonna take ginger snap and then a little bit of hot cider. Makes a nice purple mustard color. And while I'm on the subject, like if we're talking about supporting people, you don't have to bring other people down to support somebody else. You know what I mean? I'm all down for like body acceptance and stuff, but I don't think that it's body acceptance to say real girls have curves. You don't have to belittle a body type to empower a different kind of body type. Everybody's so beautiful. And if they want to show their bodies on Instagram or something like that, some girls work so hard on their bodies. They should be comfortable enough to want to show it in any way that they like. I just think that people should just accept people. We were not meant to all agree on everything, but we should definitely accept other people for who they are. And then I'm going to use this Tarte blusher thing. I got this for Christmas. I've heard great things about it. I'm going to try Extraordinary. Really, like I don't know anything about blusher. Like I don't know how to match it to your outfit or anything like that. That looks very nice. I'm going to wipe off this baking. Then I'm going to highlight with the Fenty Beauty Killawatt. This is Mean Money and Hustler Baby. Hustler Baby is like really awkward to say. Hustler. I'm going to set my makeup now with this Marc Jacobs. Taking some Anastasia brow gel. Then Velvet Noir mascara. Lips I'm going to line with Morning Coffee by MAC. I should have sharpened this. I'm going to take one of the lipsticks from the Marc Jacobs try-on. This is Infamous. Alrighty guys, so this is the complete look, and yeah, I just wanted to play with the nice palette again. There's just a lot of possibilities and like really fun looks to create, so I did another. So I gotta go find something to wear. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. We're getting it. Much